But then I heard the elevator ding behind me. The doors opened slowly, but no one came out. I stayed crouched, barely breathing. I waited. 30 seconds passed. Then a minute. And then, the most terrifying sound. The slow, deliberate sound of heels clicking against the concrete. Coming from the elevator. Getting louder. One step at a time. Whoever it was, wasn't rushing. Just calmly walking. Toward my side of the garage. I couldn't see them, but I could hear each step echoing off the cold walls. My car was the only one on that level, so I knew they were coming to me. I quietly opened my door and slid into the driver's seat, praying the sound wouldn't draw attention. I started the engine, and the sound of the heels stopped. I reversed out without even checking behind me and sped toward the ramp. As I turned, the headlights hit something in the distance, just for a second. A woman. Standing completely still. Wearing a business suit. No coat, no bag. Just staring. Her eyes caught the headlights, and they reflected like glass. I drove out of that garage like my life depended on it. When I reached the street, I pulled over and called the building's overnight line.